You can personally handle shipping and order fulfillment yourself, or you can employ a popular method called dropshipping, where the manufacturer handles it for you. Number four, resell web hosting. Resell hosting is another great way to make money online. In fact, we offer this service on our sister project, Hosting 24. The basic idea of reseller hosting is providing a dedicated server space, which you can use to build your very own web hosting brand. It allows you to, number one, create cPanel powered web hosting account, number two, set custom resource limits, number three, conventionally manage all using WHM. Since cPanel is the most widely used tool when it comes to managing a hosting account, it will be easy to attract a new user. The server uptime is also monitored by an in-house administrator team, which ensures stable uptime and availability. It allows to focus on user acquisition rather than the technical aspect of service management. If you will have any question, our dedicated 24 by 7 support staff will be there to help, especially if you are familiar with how web hosting works. Reselling it will be a walk in the park. Who knows, you may become one of the web hosting giants if you put enough effort in this method. Number five, create a digital course. It seems like digital courses are everywhere today. So if you have valuable knowledge that some would pay for, this could be a great opportunity. In addition to having your own course, a learning platform such as BitDegree offer a chance to become an instructor. It's a unique opportunity to pass your skill and experience to thousands of people who are eager to learn something new. Digital course can be produced in a lot of different formats, from simple PDF downloads all the way up to self-produced video course that have dozens of hours of content. Create online courses could also be a very rewarding plan since it's under your control. There's no limit to how much money you can make. Like most other methods on this list, a digital course can be integrated into most styles and websites, including blogs, e-commerce platforms, and even affiliate marketing rate. If you are looking to create a digital course but have not settled on your topic, it is a good idea to poll your audience. Often they can tell you exactly what they would like to learn and would be willing to pay for. For example, the online course Learn Scrivener Fast is completely dedicated to helping writers learn in the ins and outs of the Scrivener software. Joseph Michael, the creator of this course, uncovered such as the need reading the comments on Michael Hyatt blog. It has since grown into a six-figure income business. Number six, create a membership site. Membership site have exploded in popularity recently. The idea to is enough to implement. It does have required having an existing audience of some sort. For example, Mark Manson run a popular self-development blog on his site. There is a membership portion that give user to online course video and additional article commentary for fans of his work. It's a great deal. People are already visiting your website because they like what you write about and how you use your style. So you can create a membership section if your site that offers a premium content. Now every single person who visits your site won't take up on the offer, but your dedicated fans will find it irresistible. The type of membership site you can create will depend upon the kind of site you run and the level of depth you want to go with your premium content. If you like the idea, check out the Guardians how to create a membership website using WordPress. Sell advertising space. We have all seen sites that use advertising throughout their content. Sometimes the ads are ir- intrusive, but other times they integrate naturally with the content. Monetizing your site via advertising is usually reserved for when your site is reviewing a large volume of traffic. If your traffic numbers are high and only continue to grow, then these options could be worth exploring for some extra cash. Why? The amount you will get paid will depend upon the network. You will usually get paid based upon the number of impression or click. There are many different ad networks. Who choose from Google AdSense is probably the network you are most familiar with it. You apply to the network and once you approved, you can adding start ads on your site. Typically the payout for AdSense ads won't be great unless your traffic is a millions of visitors per month. There are another networks like Azoic and Media, both of which have an approval process and site evaluation. These networks also have a benefit of working with you to optimize your advertising revenue. If you don't want to work with an ad network, you also have ability to sell advertising yourself. If you have a niche audience, this can be a pretty worthwhile option. Let's say you have a site dedicated to sleep optimization. Instead of using one of the ad network mentioned above, you could sell ad space to large mattress company. You also have their option of creating sponsor content. There's this is where a company will pay you create sponsor content that you would post on your sites like BuzzFeed and Milo have taken this approach. Number 8, sell your services. Selling services from your website is one of the fastest way to online money making. There are two different approaches you can take. Create an education blog and offer your services. Create a niche blog that contains useful information about a certain topic. Let's say you have a blog about woodworking techniques. And you have built a decent size email list and got a solid traffic number. You can add a services page to your site